Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan and this video regarding the ICMR job vacancy we are going to look out. And on this video we are going to see how many vacancies they are given and how to apply and what kind of post is this. We'll see in detail. If so far if you're not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon and switch on all notifications so you'll get all my video notification on your device. Here we'll see how to check this ICMR vacancy. Directly you can go to that official website and you can apply for this post. This is the online application, and after filling the online application you need to take the print and you need to send the hard copy. So you can check on this official website the notifications. So here you can see the online applications are invited for the various posts at the ICMR NIV Pune. This is the purely temporary post. The last date for this recruitment is 13/8/2021. For checking this up complete advertisement detail, you can download this file. And if you need, I'll give that direct PDF link on my video description. You can check it there also. Yeah, this is the direct advertisement from that ICMR, the Institute of National Virology in Pune. The advertisement were given on the date of 24/7/2021, and as I said before, this is a completely temporary project job which is undertaken by that ICMR, the National Institute of Virology, under that Pune. The job vacancy for the various posts they given here we'll see in that under that nursing profession, under that serial number 8, the project nursing support they needed under that 3 post UR2 and SC1. For that who are applying under that SC category, we have the age relaxation. The salary detail is 31,500 rupees and age limit is 30 for the unreserved category, and for the SC candidate additional 5 years will used to get. And for the official notification and more detail we can get from that www.niv.co.in or www.icmr.nic.in. The last date for application need to reach to that the particular address. The address detail also they enclosed here. You can check it. That is ICMR, National Institute of Virology, 20A, Dr. Ambedkar Road, Camp Pune, 411001. So before the due time. The before due time is in the sense 13th August 2021 by before 4 o'clock it should reach. Initially first we need to submit the online application. We need to fill the online application. Then you need to take the printout. As the hard copy we need to send to this address. So this is the application process. And regarding that eligibility criteria, so regarding the eligibility criteria for that job code 8, the post of already said 3 post. Then the job activity is strengthening or promoting the evidence-based advocacy for the influenza prevention control in India. For that pay scale 31,500 rupees, and the eligibility criteria is GNM, and as well if you are registered nurse or the ANM with the any state nursing council, if you are registered you are eligible. And the desirable qualification, the BS nursing also is eligible, and experience in the blood collection and to keep that clinical all records, and the collection of nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swab is mandatory. And the age limit is 30 for that unreserved category, and as per that government rule the SC post will get the age relaxation. And regarding that further detail you can go at the last and you can read all the instructions they given clearly. When you're sending that hard copy you no need to send any of your education qualification detail. So when you're getting selected by the application, when they're calling for the direct certificate verification. At the time you can show all your certificates. So when you're setting that post, you no need to send any hard copy of your documents. And the further instructions they given below. And this job is completely for only 6 month of period, and it can be extended depends upon the project. And that's all about this job vacancy. And if you know any other detail and how to apply, you can write in the comments. If possible, I'll give that solution. Thank you everyone.